Hey guys, you guys wanted me to sing, so I'm going to. Just looking through college on my grandpa's farm. I was thirsting for knowledge, and he had a come. Yeah, I was caught somewhere between a woman and a child. One restless summer we found love growing wild. On the banks of the river on a well-beaten path. Funny how those memories they last. The sharp and wine, 17. Hot July moon, saw everything. My first taste of love, whoa, bittersweet, like being on a bone. Like strawberry wine. Thanks guys.